Sir, for the record again, mga magkano yung nakukuha ng government dito sa auction na estimated?
For 13, we have that 200 million peso value. No? Hindi ko lang mag-segregate to 7, which is medyo sure na. But for the 13, the total figures, conservatively 200 million pesos.
Attorney, may nabanggit si Commissioner dati, di ba, na yung other luxury vehicles of the Discayas ay nabili through a legitimate car dealers yung country, di ba?
Correct.
So, ibig sabihin, lahat po ng yun ay absuelto na doon sa investigation ng BOC?
No, the 17, yung binabanggit ni Commissioner, are still being subjected to post-events audit. No? We are determining if tama yung nabayarang duties and taxes. But as I said, even if, assuming that we clear them dun sa kanilang post-events audit, no? Kung cleared man sila, the BOC has already received the notice of restraint on levy from the BIR. So we are also compelled to withhold yung custody ng vehicles na ito and then eventually turn it over to the BIR for their processes naman.
Attorney, pag nabenta, saan na-reverse yung pera? So, mag-identify ng POC or dedicated?
No, for auction process, if I can remember correctly, mayroong forfeiture fund, no? It's still part of the BOC, but eventually it will be